can in the beginning. So I'm not like starting with something that's out here and I'm trying to get it down here. And it's also finding the comfort zone for your leg, foot. First thing I do is push down.
I see ya, Hub. I see ya. Tor, I need a smile. No, Tor.
Tor! Come.
I love you.
Okay, look at me. 1,
Slowly.
3.
Slowly.
Towards Ellie, just a tad. No, that's good. Straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up. Oh yeah, now you can go over.
Yeah.
Looks great. Woo!
Wow, look at that.
The lid, the
Okay.
lid, people.
Here's this one.
Is there a small bucket open?
Yes. Lid, open the lid. Come out the rope.
This one doesn't have. I don't have. Can you take those and help him with that? Because I don't have any.
Sure.
I don't have any grippers on that.
Okay, wait a minute. Oh, we're stuck. We're stuck. Hold on. There we go. Okay. We need a big bucket open. Big bucket open.
That one's pretty close.
Small
Watch the
bucket.
fire.
Combustible. Small bucket.
Test towel can go to small bucket tour with those guys over there.
Are these part of that big piece that broke, or?
Yeah, those go with Hub's things.
Okay, so small bucket, I guess.
I don't
Small
know.
bucket.
That's the beauty of
Small bucket. Small bucket. Small bucket.
beauty of the luck. Of the,
Is there anything else?